Hey everybody, thank you for joining me. So today's video is going to be a haul video for my little scrapbook store. I will have links to their Facebook page and their .com store down below in the more section, and I'm going to start and get right on in. So it turns out I've been obsessed with Missy Whidden and her videos probably within the last year, almost 2 years, and she mentioned the Heidi Swapp Gold Shine, the Color Shine Gold spray. Well, they wound up discontinuing it, and then Jen Hadfield came out with a gold, and it's really close to the same Color Shine, the Color Shine Gold. It's really close. This is a smaller version, a smaller bottle of it. So I was just showing you there how close it was. So I got a bottle of that, and I got that washi tape, which we're going to come back to later. But Michelle always puts her items that you get into this teal bag, because their store's colors are teal and purple. And the things I got besides the spray and the washi tape, I got 2 Scrappy Bags and these, I guess it's like a bronze alphas, because I've been collecting those as well. I like using them on my layouts, and anything metallic I try to get, because you never know when you may need silver, gold, bronze, all that. And then she sent me as a free gift these alphas with the white and the light greenish, almost like a minty green. They're really pretty. And then we're gonna go ahead and get started with this first Scrappy Bag. This one is a new company. It's called I just had it, 13, I think it's 13P or P13. Yeah, P13. And so I have 3 sticker sheets. I love the circles. These are phrases, and then this one has some phrases and other stickers on it. And then you get all these little, you would think it's ephemera, but it's not. Some of these are tags, round tags. That butterfly you could fussy cut. These are little tags with the sayings on it. Hello Summer, Garden Party, which I probably would never use, but there's another side, so I don't know. We could always turn it over and stamp on it. And then these are a little bit longer. They're a similar shape, but it's all like, it matches the pattern paper. And then this one, it's actually set up, I want to say, to be like a banner. So you could create either a small banner to put up in your room. You could create a banner on a layout page or something like that, because they're big enough. Like, you could probably even cut your photo kind of in a similar shape and just create possible banners on your layout. I like the fact that it's also double-sided, so like you can have the patterns, the different flowers, and then turn over. Like if there's one you're not particularly feeling, you could turn it over and use the back. There's some green, some yellow, and then they have the ones with the flowers, like the wildflowers. So you get a decent amount of those tags. And I pulled them out, those specifically, because I wanted you to see how big those were, because they're obviously a lot bigger than how they're depicted on the back. Now, I got the 6x8 paper pad and the 12x12. What I like about this is that on the 6x8 and the 12x12, the front panel and the back panel has small images that you can basically fussy cut. So like those ephemera pieces that I said really aren't there with the collection, they are. They're just on the cover. So you just have to cut them out, fussy cut, and you would have additional pieces. So it's 24 pieces, or 24 sheets on the 6x8 pad, and they're all double-sided. Same thing with the 12x12. See all those wonderful pieces you can fussy cut. And then you have 2 of each pattern. And I want to say there's 12 sheets altogether. And 6 pattern papers. I love that right there. So pretty. And then it starts up again. And then you have more of the cut aparts on the back. Okay, so this one, I find it to be really pretty. The flowers and the papers, it could definitely be a lot of fun to use. Definitely a springy type feel. All right, so this is the big one, the big boy, this Scrappy Bag. Oh my God. As soon as they showed it, I was like, I gotta have it. So I think I start with pretty much with yeah. This is the specialty paper. It's a a gold, almost like a gold vellum. It's really pretty. I'm just showing you the chipboard pieces. Trying to go slowly here. Just so you can have like some of the colors. It's 51 chipboard pieces. I was actually kind of counting them because I was like, wait, is it really 51? And it really is 51. And then I want to say, yeah, I'm going to wind up getting into the paper collection, because this was one of the things that really drew me to this. I like the colors. This is my kind of time of the year, the fall, going into winter. I just like the darker colors. For me, I really do enjoy it. So like the dark navies, and I'm going to try and show you the front and the back at the same time. I love this pattern. There's something about it. It's just so pretty. And then you have the blue polka dots on the reverse side. And you get 2 of each pattern. You could do some fussy cutting with this page, or use the back as a base to start off with. This one is fun too. That could definitely be a layer piece. I like that. I forgot. I was making mention to myself that I like that for a possible project. And then this one, I had to grab the scissors because to me, this was screaming fussy cut me. Okay? Because those flowers would be really pretty. The polka dots with the nice pink on the background. A lot of times for me, bows, I'm not a bowy person, but I do like the dark color on the back, which could work as a layer piece, especially if you're doing like layers of paper either at the top or the bottom. There's a lot of different things you could do with that particular piece. And then the bunnies, which I probably won't even use. We're going to just go ahead and keep going. But I do love this blue and pink. And that gray background isn't bad either. And this one with the smaller flowers, I do like that. But I like this pattern. I like geometrics too. I like having those as my base. Like these diamonds. Though the flowers are pretty on the back, I would do a page with that as my base and then work up from there. And really pretty flowers, almost like an outdoor scene, and then you have the stripes on the back. And of course, all these papers are meant to work together. So, I mean, yeah. And then she sold separately the washi tape. So I did get that. And I want to say there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, there's 7 washi tapes in here. And they're all different sizes. I think there's a couple, obviously, of the same size, except for that very big one at the bottom. And then there's 2 smaller. And then they have, I think the last 3 are 3 different sizes as well. So I'm not, and you know what's interesting is I don't even use washi that much, but when I got most of this collection, I realized you might as well go ahead and get that washi tape. Now these are wood veneers, and these actually have sort of like a silver shine to them, and you get 6 of them. So, and those bottom 3 are pretty large. Then I also got these paper clips. I like how they have the flowers, butterfly, the bunny, but I do like the camera, and the other one has like a saying on it. Then you get these ephemera pieces. There are some acetate pieces, and there's a close-up of them on the back. So you get a little bit of everything, some tags, some little some flowers and different embellishments like that. You have the Puffy Stickers, which you get what, 2, 4, 6, about 7. Yep, 7 stickers they call them, but they feel like the Puffy Stickers. And then these are the foam, I guess they're almost like foam ephemera if you think about it, but I heart it. Big deal. Big. Because I love how you have all of these, and then you get some on the back too. And you don't always get that. When they do like specialty foam, sometimes it's only on the one side. You know, you only get one little bit. But I love how they put so much into this particular package. Definitely, they get a heart from me. And then this is the sticker sheet. Once again, a little bit of everything, some small hearts, butterflies, you get the sentiments, and I like how you have some frames, like that one right there, the white with the white center. You could probably cut that in half and tuck it underneath something. That would be really pretty. So there's a lot of different things you can do with those. You have the alphas. These, they look like they're like, yeah, there's some that are straight and then some that are cursive. And I like that. So if you wanted to have like a unique phrase, or, you know, have a capital letter on whatever word you're putting down, you can do that with these. And it's not a capital letter, it's just a cursive letter. I'm sorry. And then, okay, so I'm bringing back the other elements of that collection. And I'm going to also, yep, it's a happy Scrappy Bag. So if you want something that's all put together, you have your ephemera pieces, your papers, and other embellishments and stuff, then definitely look into their Scrappy Bags. To me, they're worth the value because you get so much in it. Now, the gold shine does not come in the Scrappy Bags. I got that separate. And sometimes whatever they don't sell in their live videos, they do put onto their Facebook page. So if you have Facebook, definitely click on that link down below and become a member. They have free online crops. I mean, it's a lot of fun. Here are some close-ups on the different items that I received, and I'm so excited. The crepe paper, the really big collection that I showed you guys, I'm going to be doing a few videos using that collection, so definitely keep an eye out because it's speaking to me. I mean, and that's what we do as crafters, right? When collections or papers talk to us, we just got to use it. And that's why we buy them. So I'm going to be getting into this one pretty soon. So thanks again, you guys. Make sure you click the like, subscribe, and share button. And definitely, if you're excited about those future videos, just leave a comment down below. I love reading them, and I will try and respond to everybody. And I hope you guys have a great day.